peeled quite a few. Then you'll cut off one side of the potato, just want to flatten it a little bit. And then, using a mandolin, by adjusting the blades on the big mandolin, you can make gaufrettes, which are waffle fries. I love these. And that takes a little bit of practice before you become proficient, but make a straight cut on a large potato like this, and I'll do it without the towel so you can see clearly. Go this way, and then turn this way. 90 degrees, 90 degrees. And you are left with little waffles. I love how these look. Put them in the water bath. We're going to cook them twice, in a deep fryer or in a pot on top of the stove. Heat oil till it's 300 degrees. I like using these big enamel cast iron. They are very good for frying. Now this one should be 300 degrees. Now the gaufrettes are cooking beautifully, 300 degrees. They do not have to be blanched. They're so thin and delicate. Look at these little waffle potatoes. I adore these. And they are so beautiful as an hors d'oeuvre. You can put a little bit of sour cream and caviar on them. Don't forget to salt them, very important. Just like the French fries, salt these gaufrettes. Really improves the flavor. These gaufrettes are perfect. They are golden brown, they are uniformly colored, and they are crispy, salty, and delicious. Better than anything you can buy.